Hello, welcome back to another video. This one, we're going to be doing an example of quantifying particles in solution. So you may just be coming from the video where we went through this, where we talked about why all of this matters and what we're going to do with it. So today on this video, we're just going to run through a quick little example just to make sure that we all have seen it done before. So in this one, we're finding the molarity of 12.3 grams of NaCl dissolved in 100 milliliters of H2O. So to start, we're going to look at our 12.3 grams. And if you need help converting grams to moles, take a peek at the unit conversion. We kind of talk about how to go from one thing to another and what to look for when going through. So we have 12.3 grams of NaCl. And we're going to multiply that by 1 mole for every 58.44 grams of NaCl. And that gives us 0.210 moles of NaCl. And now we have to look at what volume we're in, because remember, molarity is moles of solute per volume of solution. And we assume that the volume of solution is the same as our 100 milliliters of water. So we have 100 milliliters times 1 liter for every 1,000 milliliters, and we get 0.100 liters of solution. Now, to find our molarity, we divide moles by volume, which is 0.210 moles of NaCl for 0.100 liters solution, which gives us a final answer of 2.10 molar NaCl. So that's a fairly concentrated solution of sodium chloride, which you may see in like an organic chemistry lab. If you're trying to break an emulsion or something like that, you'll get to that later. But for right now, this is just a quick overview of how to quantify particles in solution given a couple of different parameters. I hope that helps. Thanks for joining us.